And smoking is basically a method to preserve food. You put it in a brine of salt and then cook it at a low temperature and dry heat for a very long time, so it takes all the moisture out of it. And back when there was no refrigeration, this would keep at room temperature for a long period of time. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Yins. Today we will be preparing some wild-caught yellowtail fish. So, in preparation for doing this, first, ice cubes in the water. And some salt in the water. And on the cutting board we will put some foil. I usually like wax paper just to keep the cutting board from smelling like fish. Here you go. Nice big fillet. And we'll just put this into the bags and freeze it. And there's the next big giant honking piece of yellowtail. I'm just going to do this same thing, just chop it up and freeze it. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Yin. What are we cooking today? We are making some yellowtail. This is the skin, the bones, the waste that I'm going to put in here in the freezer. And this is the cleaned yellowtail. This is sashimi grade yellowtail, almost. You can tell because it has no smell. And that's been preheated. So what are we going to do? We're going to take a bunch of salt, put it on there, and then dump it in here. Put some more salt on it. You really don't want too much salt on this. And traditionally for smoking fish you would put this in a brine. And then you just put your salted fish right onto the old plate. It's all been cleaned up. And stick it on there like that. Yeah, right there. Put some of that Italian herbs on there. And pop it back on the toaster oven. Now the key to this is to do it low and slow. You want to not burn it. Sit on there and soak up the salt. Low temperature. And there it is, cooking away. Let that go for 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been in there 15 minutes. Yeah, give it another 15 minutes. Smells like Italian herbs. Give it another 10 minutes. Okay, so now look what has happened here. This is the sort of coagulated, disgusting fish fat that has risen to the top. Oh, it's not too late. Let's get some of this icky crap out of here, get it out where it won't start smelling terrible. All the little veins, little icky parts. This has been in the refrigerator overnight. And there you have it. Basically, smoked yellowtail in the toaster oven. Tastes like smoked fish. Basically tastes like salt and fish. Now you could flavor this with some hot sauce maybe, or some soy sauce. So the soy would make it even more salty. I think it's just fine, just like this.